Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I want to show you how to make an improvised electric fan stand. This base has been sitting for maybe 4 or 5 years and I don't know where to locate the bar that used to stand here. So I'm going to use this metal pipe that's been sitting in our garage for also quite a few number of years. This is what I'm going to show you is the process of making this one without welding. Let's just put some piece of wood on the side to make it stand firmly. To make it stand straight up and stable. Okay, now I'm going to put some epoxy. I already mixed some, so I don't want to waste your time seeing me mixing some epoxy. I usually use some water to wet my hand and be able to spread this epoxy. Let's do it on the other side. Okay, it's moving. Let's stabilize it again. Don't worry, the epoxy is not gonna dry up that fast. I won't be able to show you when I'm applying it on the other side because it's going to move again. Okay, we will after this we will let it dry for maybe 2 hours and then apply some more underneath. Okay, that's it for now. Let's wait for 2 or 2.5 hours. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Okay, let's wait for another 2 hours. Okay, it has hardened. And I would like to add more epoxy in here. I got this peanut butter jar cover. I'm going to bore a hole on it and paint it black later. Okay, I have finished boring the hole, and it's supposed to cover this. I'll just paint it black. Okay, just to hide the ugly part. Okay. Okay, so I have painted this one, colored it black. There is still some epoxy showing up, so I guess a bigger cover would do. So the point is, if you have available resources at home that you can use it rather than spending a few bucks. Okay, I'll just probably change this to a bigger cup if I can find one. So I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye.